What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Learning Automations with Make.com. I was scrolling Upwork and I landed on this task right here. The client who posted this job wants an automation that creates a database of saved social media posts on Airtable. The client says that I'm looking for a skilled freelancer to automate the process of saving social media posts to a new database. This project involves creating a searchable list or database in Airtable or other platform using Make.com, Zapier, or other automation platform that will automatically create a new entry in designated database each time an Instagram or a Facebook post is saved. The automation should be efficient, reliable, and easy to manage. It should resolve a backlog of saved posts and new incoming posts. Database should capture at minimum saved date, post captions, source post account name, image or video, tags, and or saved folder name. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is rename our scenario. I'm going to name our scenario Save New Instagram Post to Airtable. And to begin setting up our automation, I'll search for Instagram. Click on Instagram for Business. And since now we are waiting for the client to engage with Instagram posts, we're going to watch media where our automation will trigger if our client saves a particular post. So watch media will be our trigger. The next module that we will add is get media. The get media returns details about the media that we just picked over here. We'll be getting all the details of the post. For example, the saved date, post caption, the account, the post account name, whether it's an image or a video, tags, or saved folder name. We'll get all that data right here. After now we have all the data of our post right here, we can go ahead and add all that data on Airtable. So here we can search for Airtable and then click on create a record to add all these records on our Airtable. On Airtable, you'll create a base and rename it whichever name you like for your base. You'll have different columns right here, like the account name, the account possessing the post, the saved date, the date the post was saved, the caption of the post. I repeated saved date, so this one you can delete this field. You can also have a column for choosing whether it's an image or a video. You can add tags, people who are tagged in the video. You can add a link. By adding the post link. Now, when the client saves a post, this automation is triggered, and then it's getting all the information of the post. So it's getting account name of the poster, the save date, the caption, image or video, tags if there's anybody who was tagged in the video, and the post link. With all that data, it's being added on Airtable right here. Now all you have to do is just connect the triggers and the modules right here. Now to do that, you'll have to rename your connection, say Instagram. Instagram post connection. And then add your client ID and client secret. Then click on save. Also do that to this other module. And here you can link your Airtable to this module right here. After saving your post and triggering the automation, getting the media and the information of the media and saving it to Airtable, your Airtable will look something like this. So here you're getting the URL of the post, the platform, the status, the date posted, the caption, the image or video, the date it was created and updated. And you can do this for different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. So you can choose to set up a different automation similar to this one for LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. So this is how your database will look eventually when you start saving your post and triggering automation. It will begin saving all your media to Airtable, which will look like this. Here's another different automation that you can trigger after you save your post on Instagram. So here, when you save your post, you're getting the details of the post. Now with this automation, we are downloading the media. So whether it's a video or the image, we are downloading over here. After downloading the post, we are uploading the file on Google Drive. After uploading the file, we are getting the shareable link and then posting the shareable link on Airtable and sending the link to our Slack. So if you would like to download the media on your phone, you'll just have to go to your Slack, see the link, and download the post on your phone. This is just an interesting flow that I thought that I should show you. If you'd like to see a complete video tutorial of me integrating my Instagram accounts and uploading the data on Airtable, comment below in the comment section. I read out the comments. And if this is something that you guys are interested in, I'll come back with a second video showing you in depth how you can connect your Instagram accounts, get media of the posts that you saved right here, and then uploading the data on Airtable so you can have something similar to this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.